Do you remember when I always tell you if you're a beginner or a newbie on Redbubble or on the print-on-demand platform, it's better for you to work in sub-niches or micro-niches to stand out of the crowd and the competition and to be easily found on search results and find more opportunities to get more sales. Thus, from that point, let me show you one of my recent sales regarding sub-niches. Let's go. This one, congratulations on your recent sale on Redbubble, this amazing sale. One through blanket of I love boxer, funny boxer dad sayings. And obviously boxer is one of the different dog types, so you can niche down from the huge and the big dog niche to create many sub niches, different dog types like husky, poodle, boxer, Peninsula Mountain Dog, and etc. And to your knowledge, people always look for designs about their own dogs, so you can take the benefit of that opportunity to create your designs about these specific dog types. And of course, I have talked about the amazing and the profitable niche, dog niche, and its sub niches. You'll find this video below in the description box. And if you don't know what's the difference between niche, cross niche, and sub niche, you'll find this video below in the description box as well. And as such, you can take another lesson from that sale, that is through blanket. So if you're working on Redbubble, you have to enable all products as much as possible because you don't know what product your customer would like your design on. Is it through blanket or tapestry, t-shirt, sticker, and so on. So you have to create sub niches from anything you want. And today's video, I'd love to show you the very beautiful examples of how to create sub niches from job, hobby, and even food. And regarding food, people always look for designs about pizza, pasta, some fruits like pineapples, strawberry, mango, watermelon, some vegetables, and so on. And this video, I'd like to give you an amazing example of food type or food sub niche, that is mushroom. Yes, mushrooms. And mushrooms is a fungi with a domed cap, with a stem with gills. And mushrooms, it is a vegetarian meat substitute, and it is incredibly healthy for men and women because it contains a lot of minerals and vitamins and antioxidants for healthy gut, for the healthy immune system in general, for the healthy brain, and much more. So how to create beautiful designs and how to get quotes and sayings about mushroom. Firstly, you can head to Google and type here quotes about mushroom, quotes about mushroom lovers, mushroom hunters, and so on. For example, you can type here quotes about mushrooms. Okay, and you will find tons of articles and websites that talk about quotes and sayings about mushrooms. And if you don't know how to create beautiful and simple designs, just you can find a big list talking about that. You'll find this big list below in the description box, using simple tools and simple websites without using Photoshop or Illustrator, just with simple tools. And to make your design more attractive and more scrolling eye grabber, so you can add some vectors or some illustrations to that quote or that sayings. And you can get these vectors from websites like freesvg.org. And just you can type here something like mushroom, okay, and you will find tens and hundreds of these mushroom vectors and illustrations, as you see. And there is another one beautiful website which is so called publicdomainvectors.org. publicdomainvectors.org. You can type here something like mushroom, okay, and here you will find tens and hundreds of these amazing vectors and illustrations. Okay, or if you want to make your design on canva.com, so here you can add to your quote and your saying some amazing vectors from this element section, and you can type here mushroom, for example, and go more specific to select graphics. And you will find hundreds and thousands of these beautiful vectors of mushroom, for mushroom vectors, for mushroom lovers, and for mushroom hunters, okay, as you see. Or you can get some ready designs from some premium websites like Creative Fabrica, like this amazing design about mushroom. which is about the mushroom or colon and I must go for mushroom lovers and for mushroom hunters. And that way you can create sub-niches from anything you want, like food. And regarding jobs, for example, if you work in the big niche, teacher niche, so you can niche it down and you can make sub-niches, and you can go for even speciality. So make your designs about math teacher or science teacher or geography teacher and so on. Or you can make your designs about kindergarten teachers, preschool teachers, and etc. Okay, so you can go specific for some sub niches and micro niches. Therefore, you can escape out from the huge competition and the huge crowd in that big niche teacher niche. I will give you another example. If you're working on nurse niche, this is a big niche and highly competitive niche. So you can niche it down and you can go deeper for different types of nurses or different specialty. So you can make your designs about pediatric nurses or cardiology nurses or gynecologist nurses and so on and so forth. Different specialty, okay? And regarding hobbies like music listening, book reading, football playing, and so on. And you can find someone likes a unique hobby like geocaching, like gathering some stones, collecting some stamps, like magic card trick hobby, and so on. For example, if you want to look for some quotes about magic trick or magic card tricks, so you can go to Google, for example, and you can type here magic card tricks quotes, for example. As you see, you'll find a lot of different quotes and things about card tricks. Okay, so you can create your designs about them or lesser known hobbies to direct your designs to specific and target people and customers. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.